videos today. I know I look like crap because I don't feel good. I've still got that cold going on. But me and my husband went to the thrift store this weekend, and I wanted to show you some of the things that we got. Now, you can get a lot of different magical items at thrift stores, yard sales, and I'm a big bargain shopper. So, and you can find like old antique stuff that, you know, you bring it home and you cleanse it, and, you know, you're good to go. This is a little copper pot. It's got, looked like a cauldron to me. I need to clean it up a little bit. But the lid comes off. You can see the insides a little bit. I haven't cleansed any of these yet. But this here, I'm going to use in my kitchen. And I'm going to put some magical potpourris in here. And I thought that was a cute little, and I paid, and it's solid copper, and I paid $1.98 for this. So if you don't have a cauldron, you know, look around at the thrift stores and yard sales, and we live in a real small town in Kansas, and we have one thrift store, so there's not a lot of, we don't have a lot of variety, but all of this I found at the one thrift store. And then I'm going to show you the slippers on the floor. I'll show you this one while I'm at it. I found this, a cheminary. And the only thing wrong with this is right on the front there's a little bit of nick on it, but you can't, it's not big enough to, this has never been used, and these things are hard to find and they're expensive, and I paid $4 for this. I'm going to set this on my altar when I get my new altar finished. Cheminary, $4. Never been used. It's heavy. Burn candles in that or whatever you want. And then I found this really cool plate. It's a clay plate that's decorated really bright, and I'm going to use it for my spell workings when I do my spell powders and incense and stuff like that from now on. I thought that was really cute. 50 cents. I don't know if you can hear that music I have playing in the background, but it's like one of my favorite Canadian bands, and they're not together anymore, but I love them. It's Dream Tribe. And then these here, these are little, I think they're oil burners. These are wrought iron. And these little bowls. I think I'm going to give one of these to my oldest daughter for on her altar. She got a new home, so. But yeah, you could put, I'm going to use these as what I would call a spell well. For when, and a spell well to me is just a term I made up. Spell well is, would be like on my altar where the plate wouldn't fit. I'm going to use this to mix my potions and stuff in on my altar. So I got 2 of those, and I paid $1.95 for both of them. So, like I was saying, I'm a bargain shopper, and I like, I'm at my kitchen table, I don't have a lot of room. You can find a lot of cool stuff. Now these 2 here, these are candle holders that somebody has put little mosaic, and these have never been used. And I paid 25 cents a piece for them, and the glass on them is green. I thought that would be cool for an earth spell, or I normally use these here that my granddaughter got me. But I thought this for, I think, 25 cents a piece. Candle holders. And then this here, these came in the boxes. Got 2 of them. And they're crystal jars from France. Still has the paper in it. And these are starfish candle holders. Pure lead crystal. 2 of them. I thought that would be cool on a goddess altar if you were going to be working with water magic. And they hold the tapers. They don't hold the pillars or the tea lights. They hold the tapers. But 2 of them for $4. I got both of them. They sold them in a set for $4. Starfish candle holders. And then I got this little thing. This is I don't know what it's used for, but I'm going to put it outside for my fairy offerings, because we give the fairy offerings of milk and honey throughout the summer. We start at Beltane and work all the way through until it gets. This is a party light. This one's a party light. It's got a party light sticker on it. And I paid $1 for it. And it's got a little fairy. See that? I'm assuming they probably put a big candle in it and surrounded it with seashells or something like that, which I might do that too, actually put a big fairy colored candle in the center of it and surround it with some fairy dust. I make my own fairy dust, and I'll get you guys that recipe here in another video. But yeah, $2.98 for this, and this is probably a $60 or $70 item. And then the last thing that I got was this candle holder, and I thought this was so cool. There's 5, it's black wrought iron, and there's 5 billiard holders. And I was thinking of setting this on my altar for the representation of the pinnacle, earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. 99 cents. Not, the glasses aren't cracked or anything. But yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit with you about some of my bargain shopping that I do for different items, because I like old things, and you know, some of the new stuff that's out is really cool. And you know, a lot of people don't have a lot of money to go out and buy altar items, you know, spend 60 or 70 bucks for a cauldron, and you could get that little brass cauldron that I got, bring it home, cleanse it. I think $1.98 is what I said I paid for it. Yeah, and you have your cauldron. And this, you know, just different things. I like to change my altar all the time. So, anyways, that's my bargain shopping with Star. You guys have a magical and blessed day. Bye.